Hi, Kelvin. I don't like when someone lies too much. I don't like it. What's the meaning of all this nonsense? Huh? Oh.
Hello, hello, hello. You're shouting. This is an estate and you don't shout here.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I don't catch this one. Okay, see, let me tell you. I was seated down there and I saw you shouting, so I said I should just come and meet you and tell you to be my girlfriend.
Funny guy.
Oh, you don't believe me? See, let me tell you. There are 7.3 billion humans on this earth. And if you don't know, 51% are men. Over 200,000 men are doing men. And over 700,000 women are doing women. So now you have limited choices like us. So what do you say?
I'll get out.
Oh, didn't she hear the statistics very well? Hey, now, over 7.3 billion human beings. 51% are men. Now, over 200,000 men are doing men, and over 700,000 women are doing women. It's okay. Go and think about it. Do your own research. You will see you have limited choice. No problem. I will be back for my results.
Hi.
Hi.
I forgot to ask of your name the other day.
My name is Isaac.
Nice name. I'm Joy.
I know.
Okay, I researched what you told me the other time and almost all are true. Yeah.
See, even your research now, I'm sure is not correct because by this time now, more men are beginning to do more men and more women are beginning to do more women. So your research might not be correct because I update myself every day to know my chances. But it's good, Sha. Now that you know, so what do you want me to do?
It's okay. I've heard what you told me the other time. Like, you didn't even ask me my thoughts anymore.
So I didn't come back to check on you. Okay, sorry. I forgot to come back and check your final result. So, are we good now?
Yeah. So, what do you think?
Let me tell you something. I don't like you again.
Why? Does anything change?
Things have changed though. I've changed my choice. I've changed my kind of women. I've changed my spec. So, you are no longer my spec.
Why?
I say I don't like you. They ask me why. You know, go if person say I don't like you.
Does anything change in me? Oh, this guy.